Hey guys, Sunday today. Had a buddy come help me finish pulling the transmission out of the Raptor yesterday. So it's out of the transmission, out of the Raptor. Transmission is out, everything's out, ready to put the new one back in. I've not been able to come up with the money to get it rebuilt. So what I'm going to try and do, Norbert's transmission was throwing a torque converter code more than anything else. It's got a brand new valve body in it as well. So I'm going to take my torque converter and his transmission and put them together, and hopefully I've got a working transmission that'll get me by for a while. And in the meantime, I'll work on saving up that money I need to get it rebuilt. And whenever I get that, I'll take it back down and actually get the transmission rebuilt and get it 100% and back in the truck at that point. But Norbert's transmission is on the jack stand. Trans jack. Mine's sitting beside the truck. Yeah, so it cracked it. That housing is trash. Our transmission is completely trash. I did remember that Norbert has a stripped bolt hole on the oil pan on the bottom of it, so I do need to take it back off the jack stand. Transmission jack. Jesus. Take it back off the transmission jack and helicoil coil that hole. I don't remember if it needs a gasket or not. While I'm in there, I'll be able to tell, but that'll get taken care of today. I'm going to be smoking a roast, I think, today. I think that's what I bought. I don't remember. But the main goal today is to start pour 15ing the bottom of the truck and try and get rid of all the rust and everything. Yum. Yes, I am wearing all camo because it's clothes I don't care about getting dirty. And it's going to be very dirty today. So basically the entire underside of the truck has this oil coating on it from Ohio. Everywhere you look, except for apparently right there, but just about everywhere you look under here has that oil coating on it. So my goal today, main goal today, smoke some good meat, have it for dinner tonight, but get this oil coating off the truck. Get this completely stripped off down to bare paint, bare metal. That's where he left it. Cool. And just get the underside of the truck cleaned while I got access to everything. All the big stuff's out of the way. It gives me a lot of room to work, a lot of room to clean everything. So I'll do a time lapse of that for y'all. And we'll see where we get today. I've got the Pour 15 degreaser. I also picked up some Extreme Purple Power, I think it was. Extreme Purple Power, Extreme Simple Green. If the Pour 15 doesn't cut through this stuff. So I'm going to spray it with that, the Pour 15 degreaser, let it sit for a little bit, and then come in here and pressure wash it off. And that's where it's going to get really dirty for me. But hopefully it'll take care of all that. And then let it dry a little bit. And come back after it with the etching primer and the Pour 15 rust coating. But I'll keep y'all updated as we go. In my Weaver sprayer, I've got the Pour 15 degreaser mixed 4-to-1 with warm water, as it says, for heavy cleaning. Because this is anything but easy. Like I said, I've got the Extreme Purple Power if this doesn't work, but we're going to try this first. It's designed for the system. Let's get to the chuck roast is in the smoker. The degreaser's been sitting. So I'm going to pressure wash it off and see if it makes a difference. Here goes nothing.